Good morning. We are finally picking a winner for the giveaway journal. I've selected the book page to stash video to select our comment. It takes me a minute to figure out how to use this because it's been a little while. The filter duplicate user's already clicked and so is the one winner. Have to solve a very difficult maths question here before I hit get the YouTube comment. I'm sorry I had to do a voiceover. The original video, I didn't record the sound. So we have 172 comments. It now takes me a minute or two to just realise what I actually have to do because this has changed since I last used it. Scroll down, finally found the pick winner. Hit that. And the winner is Cheryl Toller, 3, 2, 1. And she says these are so beautiful. I just love maths make ideas. Thanks, Tracie. So if you can contact me by next Saturday, all the information will be down below. Thank you.